Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the Budget Sportsman. Thank you so much for joining me, and thank you for getting up so early with me. It's 5:44 in the morning, and we have an exciting day planned. As you know, if you've been following the channel for a while, I make fairly frequent trips down to Florida for reasons totally unrelated to this YouTube channel. But when I'm here, I do like to take advantage of some of the outdoor activities that Florida has to offer. Now, I've gotten to know some good friends down here in Florida through my frequent trips here. And one of my good friends called me yesterday and said, hey, you want to go saltwater fishing over in the Gulf of Mexico? And I said, absolutely, positively, I am in. So some of you probably don't know this about me, but several years ago, I actually lived in the Micronesian Islands out in the Pacific Ocean for a while, and I absolutely love saltwater fishing. But I honestly don't think that I have ever in my entire life saltwater fished anywhere over on this side of the planet. Anywhere in the Atlantic Ocean, the Gulf, anywhere down the east coast of the United States. Don't think I've ever fished here in saltwater. And so I am really looking forward to today. We're going to be going out to the Gulf. I think we're only about an hour and a half from our fishing spot. It's early. And but I got to get going because I got about a 10-minute drive to where I'm supposed to meet my buddies. They got the boat. We'll jump in their truck, head over to the Gulf, and get fishing. I honestly have no idea what kind of fishing we're doing. I don't think we're going very far offshore or anything like that, but it doesn't really matter to me. I am just excited to be fishing in the Gulf. Should be a great day, so come along and enjoy the adventure. Well guys, this morning has not gone exactly as planned. We got over here to the boat ramp at the Yankeetown Marina, and I got out of the truck and I thought I smelled something. I went back and looked, and the entire bearing of one of the trailer wheels was gone. Now it's a dual axle trailer, but so it's still riding on the other axle, but that one wheel was just wobbling and the bearing was totally gone. So we said, well, let's go fishing. We'll come back early. We'll fix it when we get back. And got the boat in the water here. And the motor's not running right. It's not getting any fuel. So David and Tim, they took off to go get the bearing fixed on the trailer so that we can get the boat on the trailer, get it out, and maybe see if we can't get that repaired as well. But for now, I'm just hanging out here by the water while they go try to get some parts. Here's the boat. Beautiful morning, so I'm not complaining at all. Just nice to be outside by the water, but hopefully we still get to go fishing today, but at this point it's not looking great. Well guys, it's 4 days later, and we're back with same friends but a different boat. Last time we were here, we never were able to get out fishing. I caught one fish off the dock here while they were working on the trailer. They got the trailer fixed, so we were able to get home, but the motor just wasn't able to be fixed without ordering some parts. So today we're back with the same two friends, but the other friend's boat, with Dave's boat. It's a little bit smaller boat, but we're still going to try to get out there, be a little bit more tight with three guys. Stick with us. Hopefully today will be better than on Saturday. First fish in the boat.
There you go. See the little black bass?
I see him.
He's got to be 10 inches. He's only about 6 or 7.
Yeah, this one's going to take the net for sure.
Tell me, I got excited to grab the net. I got the net. He said, yeah, so I'm on it, man.
There we go. Bye-bye. Well, there's the first one for me anyways. Didn't get skunked.
It's all you, dude.
Yeah, we got something on. He comes with me for a little bit, and then all of a sudden he wants to go. Oh.
He let it go. He had it in his mouth and never hooked him. He had it and was carrying it. That's the
He was
sign
right there.
of a shark.
Oh well. Try again. Man, you got me all excited there. Yeah.
You take it away from me, it's easy. Watch out.
So what do we got here? Here's another.
I think I called for
I
the
was
net
grabbing
3
it.
times
I was
before
grabbing
somebody.
No. The first time you didn't even.
I didn't even pay attention.
So what you got there, Tim?
This is a Jack Crevalle. Hold just a minute, I'll get him off the hook here.
Yeah.
And get a good picture. Yeah, that's a Jack Crevalle.
It's kind of a pretty fish.
Good bait.
Good bait.
Good shark bait. In the net.
I don't know. He's just swimming right to me.
Oh, that's a Spanish mackerel. Yeah, hang on, man.
Well,
Yeah, you got a good bait now.
what is that?
That's a Spanish
Oh.
mackerel. That is excellent, excellent eating.
His teeth look nasty. That's what they look.
They are nasty.
Well, guys, we moved spots. Caught a few black bass earlier, but nothing was biting. Moved to a new spot, and Tim and Dave just put me on my first Spanish mackerel. So this was the first fish that's going in the cooler. Tim tells me it's delicious to eat.
Oh, we got a little shark.
He's not ready yet. There we go.
He's a fighter, man. He wasn't about to give up.
He wasn't getting in that
He
net.
wasn't about to give up. I'll tell you what, that's quite a shark on this little.
Yeah, I mean, he was a fighter.
Is there a size limit on those?
No sort of active shouldn't keep any size, but you can only have one per person, a maximum of 2 per boat. Little tiny black tip. We're gonna put him back.
Hope for a bigger one.
Yeah.
Oh, he's swimming right with me
Be a
now.
nice drum. Be a nice drum. That is a catfish.
I don't know, those are pretty good eating.
No, never have.
Really?
No,
Okay. You want to try to video this?
I got it.
He's got a bar with it.
No, you're good. I thought I had something nice. Bye-bye, stingray. Is it? It might be. It came up to the surface.
No, stingray won't come up to the surface usually. Better get my other one in there.
Would you hit the button on top of that camera right there real quick? Right there. That one. Just there's a button on top. Yep. Yep.
Oh no, Oh, that's a nice big drum. That's what we come for. That's what we came here for, brother. That's what I want to turn you on to, right there.
Where are we going?
Let's tighten your drag just a little bit.
Ah, he's in the anchor.
Keep him away from there. Okay, now let him come back to you.
Yes. Oh, there, I heard it.
And
Yeah.
there's a nice drum. Let me get my pliers and we'll get that out.
It's
I'm trying to stay out of the way of that camera.
oh, you're all right. It's almost out.
That's why I brought you to this spot right here. Is to be able to catch one like that.
Yeah.
There you go. I don't know what the weight is. It doesn't. It's not
The weight
more
says.
than 600ths of a pound.
Well, there's the first real good keeper. I mean, I know we caught the mackerel, but
Let's let David measure that. Well, measure it there on the cooler and see.
that's too long for
Not
the
too long for the cooler.
too long for the cooler.
Cooler measurement. Okay.
You want to measure, David?
We'll let David measure.
I'll swap you.
Measure it there. Thank you for not letting it get away.
I was trying. I didn't want to force it too much. I didn't know what
Well, it's a
how
fun
much.
fight on those lightweight
Yeah,
rods.
yeah, it is.
What,
23 inches.
Awesome. Put him in the cooler.
Be a good eater, huh?
Weighs, oh yeah, that's a real good eater right there, buddy. That's some good meat right there.
That was a fun fight on that little
Yeah,
rod.
it is.
So we weighed it up. It was 5.5 pounds. Thank you, Tim.
Yes, you're welcome.
Tim just caught the first redfish. It's got to be 18 inches.
David, you want to measure him? 18? Okay. Okay.
Eighth of an inch too short. Oh, what a bummer. So that's still your nicest one.
David's gonna make me lean out of the boat.
That's beautiful. First sea trout I've ever seen.
This is it's called a spotted sea trout.
It's got to be 12 to keep it. 15. I think he will be. He'll be close.
All right, and here is Nathan's very first speckled sea trout.
Beautiful. Well, guys, that's going to do it for this video. Thank you so much for joining me, and big thank you to Tim and David for taking me out to the Gulf. It was a fantastic day. One of the things I love about fishing saltwater is you just never know what you're going to catch. And I think I personally caught 7 different species of fish, and in the boat we actually caught 11 different species that day. So just an absolutely fantastic day. For me, I would say the highlight was catching the black drum. Definitely put up the best fight and probably the biggest and best fish of the day. And then a close second would actually be the speckled sea trout. I love catching brook trout up in some mountain streams and that kind of thing. And so just catching a trout in a totally different place, totally different kind of trout in a totally different place, but again, a beautiful fish, was something that I really enjoyed. So once again, thank you for joining me. I hope you did enjoy it. And until next time, remember to get off YouTube and get outdoors into God's great creation.